Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn Woo. If you're running a WordPress website and still not using email marketing, you're missing out. In this video, we'll cover the best WordPress newsletter plugins in 2026, so you can start building your email list and engaging your audience the right way. Let's dive in. Before we jump into the tools, here's why newsletter plugins matter. Build a direct audience, no algorithm dependency, increase repeat traffic, boost conversions and sales, automate your marketing, and the right plugin makes all of this easy, even if you're a beginner. Let's start with MailPoet, one of the most popular newsletter plugins built specifically for WordPress. Why choose MailPoet? It's perfect if you want everything inside WordPress without relying on external tools. Here are the key features: a simple drag-and-drop email builder, built-in subscriber management, WooCommerce email automation, and the ability to send emails directly from your WordPress dashboard. Next, we have the newsletter plugin, which is a powerful free option with a lot of flexibility. Here are the key features: unlimited subscribers, built-in email editor, advanced targeting options, add-ons for automation. Why choose it? It's a great choice for beginners or anyone on a budget who still wants advanced features. Moving on to FluentCRM. This one goes beyond just newsletters and works as a full CRM system. Here are the key features: email automation funnels, advanced contact segmentation, integration with WooCommerce and LMS tools, and detailed campaign tracking. Why choose FluentCRM? It's ideal if you're serious about email marketing and want powerful automation. If you're already using Mailchimp, then Mailchimp for WordPress is a great option. Here are the key features: easy-to-use form builder, seamless connection with Mailchimp lists, GDPR-friendly sign-up forms, and integration with multiple WordPress plugins. Why choose it? Perfect if you prefer managing your email campaigns through an external platform. Finally, we have Kit, which is designed especially for creators and bloggers. Here are the key features: landing pages and sign-up forms, a visual automation builder, tag-based subscriber management, tools specifically built for creators. Why choose Kit? It's best for bloggers, YouTubers, and digital creators who want to grow and monetize their audience. Before you pick a plugin, ask yourself, do you want everything inside WordPress? Do you need automation? Are you okay using external tools? Because different plugins serve different needs. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.